Burn your belly fat and get 6 packs with these 8 powerful exercises. Exercise 1. Crunches. Crunches are powerful exercises that mainly target your upper abdominal muscles. To perform them, lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head, engage your core, and lift your shoulders off the ground using your abs, not your neck. Slowly lower back down and repeat with control. Breathe out as you crunch up. Exercise 2. Seated leg raise. Seated leg raises is the best exercise that targets your lower abs and helps build core strength. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly with hands behind for support. Start with your knees pulled into your chest, then extend your legs straight out without touching the ground. Bring them back in and repeat. Keep your core tight and breathe steadily. Exercise 3. Heel touch. Heel touch is the great exercise that targets your obliques effectively. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Crunch slightly up and reach side to side, touching each heel. Keep your core tight and feel that burn in the sides of your abs. This move helps tone your waist and strengthen your core. Exercise 4. Flutter kicks. Let's fire up those lower abs with flutter kicks. Lie on your back, hands under your hips, lift your legs off the ground, and alternate small kicks up and down. Keep your core tight and lower back pressed to the floor. This move isolates the lower abs, helping you build strength and definition. Stay controlled and breathe through it. Exercise 5. T rotation. T rotation is the powerful exercise that burns obliques. Start in a high plank position, then rotate your body, lifting one arm up toward the ceiling to form a T shape. Keep your hips stable and core tight. Alternate sides with control. This move strengthens your obliques, shoulders, and improves balance. Exercise 6. Knee to elbow crunches. Knee to elbow crunches are a great move to target both your upper and lower abs. To perform it, lie on your back, hands behind your head, and bring your knees up to a tabletop position. Crunch up and twist, bringing your right elbow toward your left knee, then switch sides. Keep your core tight and move with control for maximum results. Exercise 7. Plank kickback. Plank kickbacks are awesome for targeting your lower abs and glutes. Start in a plank position with your body in a straight line, core tight. Lift one leg and kick it straight back, squeezing your glutes, then bring it back down and switch legs. Keep your hips stable and don't let your back sag. Exercise 8. Seated twist. Seated twists are perfect for sculpting your obliques. Sit on the floor with knees bent, lean back slightly, and lift your feet off the ground if you can. Clasp your hands together and twist your torso side to side, tapping the floor on each side. Keep your core tight and controlled for maximum impact on those side abs.